In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grok, a free AI app on PC. We'll keep this simple and smooth. Start by making sure your Grok account is open and ready. All this means is that you're signed into your existing account in a web browser so you can connect it quickly later. Having it open ahead of time prevents interruptions during setup, and it helps the app sync your preferences as soon as you launch it. Now, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. The easiest way is to select the Start button, type Microsoft Store, and open the app from the results. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're connected to the internet. The Store is the safest place to get the Grok 3 AI app, and it will handle future updates for you automatically. Once the Store is open, head to the search bar at the top and enter GXAI. Type it carefully, including the comma, to pull up the correct result. If you see several listings, look for the one associated with Grok 3 AI. Open the app's page and take a quick glance at the description and screenshots so you know you're selecting the right tool before installing. When you're on the correct page, click the button to download. Depending on your version of the Store, this button may read Get, Install, or Download. The Store will begin fetching the app and you'll see a progress indicator. Keep your PC awake and online during this step. If your connection is slow, that's fine. The Store can pause and resume as needed. If your device is low on space, closing other apps can help the process along. After the download finishes, installation completes automatically. You can start using the app right away by clicking Open in the Store, or open it later from the Start menu by searching for Grok. On first launch, follow the prompts on screen. Because your Grok account is already open in your browser, linking or signing in should be quick and straightforward. Take a minute to adjust basic settings, things like notifications or theme, so the app feels comfortable from the start. That's the whole process from beginning to end. Open your Grok account, open the Microsoft Store, search for GXAI, select the correct listing, click to download, and once it's done, start using Grok 3 AI on your PC. If the search comes up empty or the button is unavailable, double-check your spelling, refresh the Store, and ensure you're online. Otherwise, you're all set. Enjoy exploring what Grok 3 AI can do for you.